What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to launch a coin on Raydium. So, you might be wondering how to exactly launch a coin here in Raydium. Well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So, the first thing that you want to do here in order for you to launch a coin here is you need to first to create your coin. So in order for you to create your coin here, you need to use an online tool for that. So in this case, you could use Orion Tools if you want to, which is oriontools.io. But obviously, you could use other tools out there that you think you can trust. But in this platform, what you need to do is you just need to go to the website, just click on Token Creator, the left side here, and you just need to provide some details. Like for example, the name of the token, what symbol will it be using, the supply or how many. Like you choose 1,075,000, depending on how much you want to include here. You can also upload the image that you want to use for your token, and also some description for the token itself. Now, you also have the option to revoke freeze here. So if you, in this case, this is required. And also if you want to revoke mint here, so mint authority allows you to increase token supply. Now, from here on, you have the option to show more options here, but obviously you need to fill out some details here. But once you fill all the details here required for you to create your coin, you can go and click on select wallet and basically choose whichever account or wallet you want to connect to. Now, in this case, once you've connected your account here, you need to approve a few things. But once you approve that, you should now have a specific value of unknown coins in your wallet, which in this case, you'll be using that to basically create a pool here on Raydium. So how do you do that? So you want to go ahead and go to Raydium here, and you want to go to liquidity at the top here, and you want to go and click on create at the top right in here. Now from here, you can go and choose one of the following options. So you have concentrated liquidity, standard AMM, and legacy AMMv4. Now let's go and choose standard AMMM here. But in this case, I would highly suggest you to do your own research on what are the technologies here first, and what they actually do, so that you know what you're getting into. So in this case, I'm just showing you the process on how to exactly proceed and the steps that you need to do in order for you to launch a coin. But yeah, let's go and choose AMM here. Click on continue. Now from here, what we need to do is we just need to specify a few things. Now the base coin token here is going to be your token. So I would suggest you to go to code token here, and you want to choose Solana here. And from here, you want to go ahead and open up base token. Now what you need to do is you want to go ahead and open up SolScan, and you want to open up the token that you've created here on Orion Tools. Now from that on, you just need to enter the address for it, and in this case, Raydium would actually ask you to provide some details about your token. So that includes which type of currency, or sorry, what the symbol for it, the image for it, and all those details. So just to give you some idea, this is what it's going to look like. So once you've entered the address for your token, you should be able to see the symbol and name here. And you could also add a user token if you want to. But yeah, so in this case, you go and click on your view token list here, or click on X at the top right here to proceed. But yeah, so in this case, once you've done that, this will actually allow you, or it will show you your wallet here with the actual pop-up here, which in this case authorizes you that that you're the provider for that token for this specific pool here. So yeah, so go ahead and authorize that, and it will automatically convert your unknown tokens here directly to whatever token you've created here. But yeah, so in this case, just create your pool here. You can go and initialize your liquidity pool by entering the initial price here. So depending on what value you enter here on your for a token like Solana, the initial price also affects that, so just make sure to take that in mind. Also have your fee tier here, go and choose your appropriate one, and also if you want to choose your start time here, either start now or custom day, you can go ahead and specify that. But yeah, so again, I'm not a financial advisor here. I would recommend you to do your own research before doing so, but this is how you start launching a coin here on Raydium. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.